Okay. Now we will try to understand that today. Iterators in Python. We are going to understand iterator in Python. Try to understand. So what is iterator in Python? It is an object. It is an object. Okay. Has countable values and can be iterable. And these values can be values can be iterable. What do you mean by iterable? I told you that many times. Iterable means we can access them. We can access the values. We can access the values, access, navigate, or navigate, or one more word, or iterate. Okay, or traverse, or travel, or go through. All are equal words. All are go through the values. Okay. So iterator is in Python. It is an object, has countable values and can be iterable. These values can be iterable means we can travel, access them, we can navigate, we can iterate, we can traverse, all are the same words. So here this iterator implements iterator protocol. It follows a iterator protocol, and so as I told you, iterator is an object. So it has this iterator object has two methods. Who has two methods? This iterator object has two methods. Okay. Methods are what? One is iter method. Iter method means simply you write brackets. I told you many times method are okay. Next iter method, next method. Method means brackets. Method or function, I told you many times, method or function, both are what? Iter, next method. Okay. Method always have the brackets, and method and function both have the parenthesis brackets, but method is always the part of the class. Okay, function never be part of a class. Now we will use, suppose a list is created, list name fruits. You simply understand that how to fruit is a class. It is a list having. List always be declared in square brackets. So fruits, papaya. Okay, papaya. It is a fruit. It is a string now. I told you in Python, string always will be kept in double quotation or single quotation. One more. So now apple. Here I have mentioned double quotation. No issue. Single quotation or double quotation. Single quotation. As you wish. Papaya, apple, banana. Okay. Now what happened? A list is created. That is called fruit is a list. Comment here. Fruit is a list. Okay. List always will be mentioned in square brackets. Now, what I want to do that I want to access these values through iterator. So how can I create a iterator? Create a variable. This also is a variable, but now it is going to be a iterator, because now this iterator has the method. So I will use the method iter method. Method means brackets. Here we need to use in this bracket as a parameter. Parameter method brackets will require one parameter. That is what you this list name. If I pass fruit, now what happened? This also becomes an iterator. Now you comment here. Vasu is what? Now Vasu is an iterator. Because this iterator, I have used iter method of iterator. Now Vasu becomes iterator. So iterator means iterator, it's an object. So Vasu is an object. It has countable values. Means this Vasu has all these values, countable values, and they can be iterable. Means we can access them. So now by creating iterator, how can I access these all? I told you that it will use protocol of iterator. Now how can I access them? So use that. Simply you use print bracket next method. Next method will be used to access values one by one. Next you passed iterator name. One time I have used. So before that, if I use any string here, value, okay. So every time, whenever one time you have used it next, you will get only one value. What is that? Papaya. You will get papaya. Now, whenever you run this code, you will get only papaya. So if you want to get next apple, you need to one more time, you need to use. So this previous code I am getting now. So you need to do that here. Okay. This is the previous code. I want to keep all this code in triple quotation marks. Okay. Multiple comments. Here, use triple quotation marks so that you run this code now. Previous code will be under comment section. See, value papaya. I'm getting what? Value papaya. So if I want to get next value apple, I need to one more time you copy this next method. Every time you need to use. So every time you need to paste. So then you will get all the values. You will get all the three values. So now you run this code. So now you are getting all these value papaya. These values are countable values of what? Iterable values of your iterator. What is your iterator object name is what? Vasu. Okay.